Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to tap your phone to pay with Cash App. First thing first, launch the Cash App on your iPhone. From the keypad, select the Tap to Pay icon, or from the Discover tab, tap the Set App Tap to Pay tile. Now, review and check the box to agree to Square's payment processing terms of service, privacy policy, Square Cash App data sharing to enable Tap to Pay, then press Continue. Now you need to sign in with your Apple ID. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Apple account when prompted and link your Cash App account with Tap to Pay on iPhone. And done, once the setup is complete, you'll be able to accept contactless payments directly on your iPhone, no extra hardware required. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more.